kami sa training for months eh. Tapos, nag-pikiti kami, nag-Muay Thai, tapos tactical. So lahat, ang dami namin train. Nag-war games kami, gano'n. So,
actually help yan eh.
Oo, totoo eh. Para maramdaman mo talaga yung feeling nung kung ano yung pakiramdam na nasa war na talaga. And ayun, nakita naman namin yung chemistry ng lahat nung nag-training na kami. Tapos ang dami namin pasaka lagi.
Super dami namin pinagdaanan bago mag-day 1. Honestly, mga siguro 4 months, not every day, but mga almost 4 months kami nag-training. So, ang dami namin pinag-aralan, ang daming first time kong ginawa personally na hindi ko in-expect na makakahama pala.
Nagmutong ka na.
Wala na yun. Pero yan, ang dami namin pinagdaanan bago mag-day 1. Kaya sa 4 months na yun, nabuo na rin yung friendship namin lahat.
So, yung training na yun, we were taught how to yung mga room clearing when entering building, tsaka doon mahalata kasi kung maganda yung chemistry and then yung proper training handling the weapons. So we would sometimes go to mga airsoft games and then as a team, minsan iwalay, tapos sa firing range, different weapons, lahat ng individual weapons na gagamitin namin, ng characters namin, kailangan namin aralin yung weapon na yun sa firing range. Aside from sa martial arts area, mga tactical moves for that. So, kasi nga, alam namin sobrang ma-action to.
Finger of the trigger.
Finger of the trigger. Lagi siyang finger on the trigger.
Delikado. Oo, delikado yun. Yes, there's
so basically, before we start the show, we set up a training camp. The training camp is like an athlete's camp or a soldier's camp. How an athlete would prepare for a competition, that's how we do it. So they really endured a lot of pain and hard work.
So much pain.
They trained martial arts. We wanted to showcase Filipino martial arts in this show. Several kinds of Filipino knife fighting, sword fighting, and hand-to-hand combat. And then they also trained in real tactical close quarter combat. We trained under some of the best military consultants for them to teach us all, including us directors, how to fight a real battle inside a close quarter combat. We fired real guns. We fought in a simulated way, and then other than that, it's also a team building, but it's a grueling 4 months journey. So before we shoot the first day, medyo okay na yung bonding ng team.
Grabe yung 4 months na training bago mag-shoot.
Parang basketball team yan eh. Kailangan chemistry.
Oo nga.
Walang chemistry, wala.
Anong sinasabi mo?
Richard, you were gonna say something?
Yeah, I just want to give a shout out also to two of our consultants, Sir Benjo Ramos and Sir Patch Caballero, who's been there with us since day 1 of training. Sila yung training sa amin ng tactical moves, pikititir siya, and they also joined us on set, to guide us sa proper positionings and everything tactical-wise. So I want to give a shout out to those guys.
Yes, maraming salamat po. And kanina rin when Derek Lester was discussing yung pain, si Anthony sabi na, pero worth it. Wow, worth it naman. Oo nga. Now, we would also like to know about your roles na po. Each one, pwede po bang kwentuhan nyo kami without spoiling too much, no? Pero nakita naman natin yung trailer, so you have an idea na kung ano na yung medyo pwede nang malaman ng ating mga kapamilya. So please tell us about your roles. Let's start with Kyla Estrada. Yes.
Okay, sa akin ka pa talaga nag-start. So, my character's name is Max Alvero, and she is, according to Sir Ian's character. Sir Ian? Tito Ian's character. Kuya Ian. She is considered to be one of the best hackers that he knows. So, very technical yung role ni Max dito and yung role niya in the team. But she's also very skilled physically. Well, sorry, I just wanted to set that up. But yeah, so she's the hacker of the team. And her personality, she's very, I would say she's a pretty stoic person. And she's very business is business, and that's kind of her personality. And yeah, I feel like it works well with a team of very colorful personalities.
Thank you very much, Kai. Kahit nung nakita, ginulat kita. Ang ganda ng sagot mo, Kai. Okay.
Okay, and we'll go on with next, Anthony.
Si Tomas, yung character ko dito, ano siya? Matapang. Tapos siguro, ano lang siya eh, parang mahirap lang siya. Pero, yun nga eh, kulang-kulang din siya. Pero, yun, meron siyang tapang and, ano siya eh, hindi siya discharged soldier. Parang hindi siya graduate kasi nagkaroon ng problema. Pero, ayun, nahanap ako ng mga to. Tapos, basta panoorin yun. Nakita ako.
Thank you, Anthony. At ang napaka-sexy si Miss Raquel.
Hindi kasi pagdating ko dito na ako sa date.
At sumabi, ano po yung pala yun, guys? Yung pala.
Yung pa sa CCTV. Hindi ko nga din alam dito ito sino. Anyway, yung name ng character ko dito ay si Gabriela Rivera. And sa grupo, she's also magaling din siya sa hand-to-hand combat, tactical, yung fight. But yung specialty, yung ano niya dito, yung skill niya talaga dito, they call it the honeypot. So she infiltrates different groups. So she will be dealing with a lot of people. She's a shapeshifter-ish, and she speaks a lot of different languages. So
On the brains.
So she's a spy.
Spy?
Yeah,
No?
she's a
Spy.
spy of the group. Yes.
Ooh, okay.
Well, yun ang masasabi ko pa ngayon. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Maris. Okay, next we have Baron.
Yeah, hello. Pumiyak pa. Hello. Yung character ko dito, sobrang mabuting tao.
Change of
Medyo kailangan ako yung workshop na Miss Des, Sir Henry, and the team. Ito yung bumagay naman kasi sa character ko, yung pangalan niya is Miguel Texon. Ang dami niyang skill set and ang laking tulong niya doon sa grupo kasi isa po siyang napakagaling na sniper. Isa rin po ako sa medic, doktor ng team. And isa rin po akong alcoholic. Recovering alcoholic. I think natutuwa po ako kay sa pool of writers ng Incognito na hindi lang pagdabol sa war, pati na rin yung pagdabol sa mental health and awareness na what addiction and kung ano pang mga PTSD at kung ano pang mga sakit na dinideal ng mga bawat characters dito. So maraming matututunan ang mga manonood dito.
So aside from the action, meron pang ibang mapupulot ang ating mga kapamilya pag nanood sila ng Incognito.
That's exactly right.
Okay, now let's go to Ian Veneracion.
Ako naman po, ang character ko dito, ako yung pinakabunso. So si Kuya DJ at si Kuya Charles. I play the role of Greg Paterno. And he has a long history of military service, has worked overseas. And he's a tactician, he's a planner. And siya yung makikipag-negotiate for the whole team. And then siya rin ang nagbe-brief kung ano yung situation, ang gagawin. And yun. And pero sa sarili niya, marami rin siyang nakaraan na unresolved issues, personal issues, na hindi ko pa siguro dapat i-disclose. Pero along the way, makikita rin kasi yung individual journey ng kada character. That's I think what makes it really interesting. Hindi lang siya action na barilan. It's 7 different characters and different phases in their journey. Tapos nagtatagputan po sila. So minsan maganda minsan swak yung dynamics. May minsan may tension between characters. So it's really interesting.
So may depth din yung characters nila. But ako, I also want to ask, kasi fan talaga ako ni Ian Reaction. We know that you fly also, di ba? You're a pilot, so magagamit niyo ba yun dito?
Lahat ng skills namin, lahat siguro, nagagamit namin dito.
Ooh, exciting.
Very exciting. It's a trailer pa lang, di ba? It's a good teaser pa lang. Alright, next we'll have Richard.
Yes, all need to see Jose Bonifacio, discharged ex-Navy SEAL, very competitive, very competent, mission-based yung objective lagi ni JB dito. Isa sa mga main objectives niya ay makabalik sa military. And I also come from a family of military men. So, yun, exciting. Action yung character.
And now let's have Daniel Padilla.
Andres Malvar, Dugong Igorot, Makatao, at Discharged Scout Ranger. Yun ang muna.
Short but sweet, oo. Pero tama nga yun, baka talagang we're left wanting for more, diba? So January na po yan, mga kapamilya. At ngayon, ito na, itatanong na rin natin yung mga iba pang mga questions from our dear friends from